Hi everybody, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Brand new all-weather mats inside. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system throughout. Rear seats. We look at the sunroof there. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Both driver and passenger seats are equipped with memory seats and heated seats. You see the driver's seat controls here, and more of the premium Burmester sound system. Driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle is currently at 13,542. And we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera. Climate control, center console, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.